Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video we'll show you how to remove and replace front ABS speed sensor on Ford Fiesta MK7, guys, generation 2008 to 2017. We'll demonstrate on Fiesta ST. Ours is a 2015 model. We'll be taking the whole car apart. 200 videos at least coming on this model, guys. So if you need anything, subscribe, let us know. We'll try to make a video for you. So we'll be working on the front left side. And what we'll do, we'll actually install the tire chokes on the rear right. I usually do diagonal. Okay, and we'll jack the car up. You need to make sure that you get the lug bolts loose before you jack it up, but don't get them off, just break them loose. Always use a jack stand. Because if the jack fails, what happens? Just one little seal fails and everything will fall on you, so you definitely have to use a jack stand. Next we're going to remove the lug nuts, 19mm socket there, and when we remove them we're going to actually put the tire under the vehicle facing up, so we cut the wheel. So in case something happens, the jack fails, the jack stand fails as well, we're going to have an alternative to catch the car so it doesn't drop all the way down on us. So let us show you now, okay, where the ABS sensor is. What we'll need to do, actually we'll need to go and turn the steering wheel to the right. We're working on the left side. Okay, when we turn it all the way to the right, you see this one right here. This one is your ABS sensor right here, right there. So this one, in order to remove it, okay, it's easy. Just it has one, I think, bolt with 8mm socket and a few clips holding it here and there. But we'll need to remove that section of the fender liner because the wire goes this way, so we'll need to disconnect it. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that now. So we're going to go ahead and remove that clip. Okay, right here you pull the middle piece out. We have the clip removal tool right here. And sometimes they'll be stuck really bad because you have dust and dirt inside of them. Okay, second one now. We have one right there that we'll need to unscrew. Okay, the middle part. Okay, let me get a screwdriver. Okay, a Phillips screwdriver, small Phillips screwdriver. You need to hold the outside, sometimes with your fingers. Okay, so you can unscrew the middle part out. Okay, perfect. Okay, next we pull that piece out and we're going to, okay, pull the fender liner from the fender here. It gets stuck, okay. Okay, like that. Okay, so now when we follow the cable, okay, you can see where the connection is, right there. Next, what we'll do, with 8mm socket, we're going to remove that bolt here. Okay, you need an extension, so you can reach it easier. Sometimes your sensor might not work because you just have dust, mud, brake dust built on the inside, and as a result it will throw a cold and not work right because it's a magnet, so if it has too much stuff on the outside it's not going to read correctly. Ours is clean, you can see. So now we need to pull it out of the brackets here. Okay, and we have the one on the bottom now. Should be a clip. Okay, let's see how we're going to get this one out now. So here you can break it if you try to pull it out sometimes. Right there on the bottom it has a one tooth like a zip tie. I'm going to demonstrate it in 1 minute on a zip tie. Okay, and you can just go ahead and remove it like that. Okay, the same thing for the top one there, or the top one you can go ahead and remove it. It's usually not as strong as the other one, but sometimes they break, so you have to be careful. You have to go in a little bit on each side. Okay, this came out, and the only thing is to disconnect it now. So this clip right here, it's exactly like a zip tie, and I'm going to demonstrate you just with a new zip tie how to do that. Okay, when you have the wire in, okay, it's like that, right? It's closed, you have the wire through here. So if you get a small flathead screwdriver, what you're going to do, okay, you need to pull that end out. Okay, you need to grab the tooth here with the screwdriver, okay, twist it a little bit, and you can pull the zip tie out. That's how we disconnected this one, so we don't have to damage our clip there. The only step left now is to disconnect, okay, the wire here, okay, and this one, okay, on the back side right here you need to push in, okay, and pull out. And again, this thing has a clip there. Ford likes to use those clips everywhere. So let's see if this one will come out as easy. Okay, we did right here. So you can see this is the clip with the teeth over there, and I think that's what the other one looks as well. And this is, guys, the whole ABS sensor out of the way. So that's how you remove it, and you put everything together in reverse order we took it apart. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and
so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.